mommy. You're flying over mommy. You look like a little blue ghost.
No.
Jack. Buddy. There's your favorite fan, but it's still sorry. Oh. Look at you. The man's not afraid of heights, are you, pal? Well, that's not going to be a fear of yours growing up. Oh, buddy. Yeah. By the way, that's a mighty nice prisoner outfit you have on there. It's a little more refined. What? What'd you say? I love you, buddy. Oh. This is your favorite position. It's the reclined position and relax. Oh, I know you're very tired. Have you been nice to mommy? Have you been hungry? Ow, he's eating my finger, sweetheart.
He's probably hungry. He's always hungry.
Hey, brother.
Uh-oh.
Hey.